Tarpon Springs Beauty. Upgrades galore. Hard to find 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home plus an attached 2-car garage in the heart of Tarpon Springs. This home has tile floors throughout with a nice split floor plan with soaring ceiling in the living room. Granite countertops in the kitchen with stainless steel appliances with an open eating area. Fresh paint inside and outside giving the home a nice fresh look. Both full bathrooms have been remodeled. French doors off at the kitchen eating area and dining room area open up to a very large screened and tiled Florida room. The fenced-in yard also has swinging gates on one side to accommodate a boat, jets, etc. The AC units, inside and out, were replaced in 2018. The roof was replaced in 2015 and has newer replaced soffit. Only a short 1-mile walk to beautiful Sunset Beach with gorgeous sunsets.